Hello everyone, let's take a white base cake, take some green frosting in a piping bag and then make it look like there are stems running through the entire of the side portion of the cake. Underneath it, add 2 little red dots or blobs and turn them into strawberries. Add a check shape to the top of your cake and then line the edge of it with this particular design. Add red little strawberries at the top as well. Next, begin to make this S shape at the edge of the cake. Do the same on the side as well, however this time make it a U-shaped decoration and continuously so. Make these bows using the same nozzle as what was used at the top of it and then add some cut up fruits in the center. Next, take a white base cake and line the sides of it using yellow frosting. Flatten it out as such, use a cake spatula in order to diagonally move it and then remove the excess from the top. Take a piping bag, cut straight through it, that is a horizontal slit right through the top, and then make a diagonal slit through it as well. Add cut up fruits to the center of it. Next, take your piping bag, cut straight through it as such, and then make a diagonal slit in it as well. After you are done with this, you may add some frosting into it. We have decided to add white frosting, and then make this S-shaped decoration all throughout the top edge of the cake. Add some cut up fruits to the center of it as well as some leaves. Next, taking this particular nozzle and some white frosting, line the edge of the cake with this. Make it fall from the sides. Use some cut up fruits on the sides of it as well. Now scrape some white chocolate, add it to the center. We've also added a decorative heart to the center of this. Next, take some pink frosting in a piping bag and afterwards add white to it as well. Line the edge of your cake with this frosting. Do the same for the bottom of it as well. Use this particular nozzle in order to do so, and now we have added some peeled pomegranate to the top of it all. Next, we'll start off by taking a white base cake, take some peachish colored frosting and then put this at the top, spread it out. Now, line the sides of the cake using this frosting, then use a cake spatula in order to spread it from the bottom to the top as such. Now, move it in waves as such and then create this out of the cake in order to add texture. Thank you for watching.